What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today I got an exciting one because I'm going to be going over the expectations versus the reality of lifting and getting 285s on my truck. So if you're at all interested in this video, make sure to leave an early like, a comment, and a subscription. I've been meaning to make this video. I actually made the list like a long time ago and then never remembered to make the video. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So it's a super nice day out. It's actually 88 degrees outside, but I'm sitting inside my truck with the AC on because it's super windy. I tried to record, but it sounded like I was in a category 20 hurricane. What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen. All right, so like I said, I made this list a long time ago, actually before I had the lift kit and the tires, and then I was like, all right, so I'm gonna see what it's like. And now I've driven the truck for quite some time, so now I can make the video. Also, let me know if you had any of these expectations that I do. So starting with number one, I already knew it's a truck. MPG, it can't be that bad. It was actually pretty awful when I got the truck, but I understood, you know, it's a truck, whatever, who cares? My expectations were that my truck MPG wasn't going to be bad or get that much worse. But boy, oh boy, was I wrong. It got pretty bad really fast. The first couple of days I was kind of struggling to get everything done, so it didn't really show. But now that I drive it every day, use it every day, and go on long trips, it's definitely present. I'm talking, I'm not seeing anything over 14.8 miles per gallon. 15 maybe if I'm being generous, but definitely 14.8 is where I'm at. Let's just see where I'm at now. I'm at 10.8, but that may just be because the truck is sitting. I was expecting the gas mileage not to be that much worse, but unfortunately I'm spending $50 every week on gas. The number two thing that I expected versus reality, I thought a bunch of people, I thought that everywhere I went, I was gonna be the star of the party. I thought people in different cars were gonna be staring. I thought I was gonna be the one. Wrong. I have never, unless like I have brought it up to someone, right? Like, hey, look at my truck, what do you think? Then they're like, yeah, but they probably think like it's just a truck, and I probably just threw myself onto someone. But no one has came up to me and be like, hey, your truck's really nice. So yeah, I expected to have a truck that everyone was gonna stare at, but no, not at all. The truck is blends in, which is a good thing, okay? I didn't want too much publicity, all right? I'm not that, I don't want to be that famous, all right? All right, the number three thing that I expected when I bought my 285s and I lifted my truck, I look at YouTube videos and I see other people, what they do from where they got their channel from here to there. And I was like, all right, stock Tacoma, lifted Tacoma videos are through the roof. So I tried to be strategic, marketing 101, and I try to place my videos very accurately and try to do all the algorithm stuff. I thought that when I lifted my truck, got bigger tires, it was gonna bring in a lot more views. To this day, the most popular video I've made was on my stock Tacoma, so I can't really defend that expectation. The reality says you were wrong, brother, but it's okay. I'm happy with the truck. I like how it looks, so it's rewarding either way. It was kind of just like a positive if it were, but we're still not there. Maybe this video would do good. All right, the number four thing, ride was gonna be stiff, but wasn't gonna be that much worse. So the reason I said kind of bad is because everywhere we go, like literally if I want to go to the right of my house, if I want to go to the left of my house, if I just want to go straight through the houses, I'm gonna hit a railroad. Now, why is that important? Because the truck stock, like if I hit a railroad, literally felt like a giant grabbed the back right end of my truck and then the front left, and was like, and my truck would be shooken up. It didn't make a difference if I hit it at 100 or 5 miles per hour. The truck was gonna shake. So when I got these bigger tires in the lift, all of the things that people say about the truck were coming to mind. They're like, oh my God, these railroads are about to be like 10 times worse. I'm gonna need a chiropractor. Now, for me, it's not that big a deal, but I do have a passenger named Sandy. Quick side note, we actually changed the monkey on the back of the truck to a Sandy from SpongeBob and SpongeBob SquarePants. Yeah, I don't know, I was gonna say SpongeBob and Sandy, but that's not a show. All right, back to the video. It was actually good. I was very happy with it. I didn't even feel a difference. But then as I started to use it more, it got extremely stiff and was like, dang, I may have just messed up my truck. Not really messed up, it's just, it's what comes with the lift kit. But then on this most recent trip that I took off-roading, it was absolutely insane. Like the shocks, maybe they're tired right now, that may be what it is, but they're riding super smooth. I just took it out, I was like an hour away from home, and everything was super good. The ride was nice, and even now when I go over bumps, it feels a lot better. So my expectations was for it to be a little bit stiffer, and I guess it is, but it's not too stiff where it's just uncomfortable. All right, the fifth thing that I thought my expectations was Sandy was gonna hate it. Do you hate it?
No, I love it.
She doesn't hate it, she loves it. I don't know, because when I first got it, she wasn't the biggest fan, but I guess it's something you kind of get used to, like with anything. And the sixth, final, I guess, bonus one, my expectation was I was going to be absolutely in love with it. That's kind of a weird expectation. I would have hoped that I had that expectation, and now the reality is I like it a lot. It's probably like the coolest thing that I've done to the truck. Posting pictures, it's just something that kind of puts you apart, and it gives you conversation to talk about, gives us videos to make, helps me make videos for people who want to know more, want to get into this type of stuff. I would say 100% I do love it. I think it's awesome. Would I do it again? No, not at all, because it took a lot of time, took a lot of money, and I don't know, I just wouldn't do it again. But now that I have it, I do enjoy it and I don't regret it. With that being said, let me know if you guys had any other expectations versus realities. We also just hit 2,000 subscribers, so I want to do a video where I say thanks to all of you guys, but just in a short-term video. Thank you for everyone who supported me, liked my videos, commented. But with that being said, it's been your boy, I'm Mario Like a Naughty. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.